Hi, my name is Ladia Shala. I'm from grade 5B. Today we did an amazing spelling bee. So I competed grade 5A and 6C. There were good contestants and there were easy words and hard words. But I managed to complete all of them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jakagura Muhammad Kareem and I am from Koshish school and I'm grade 6. Today we just had a very amazing spelling bee competition and let me tell you about it. First of all, there were a lot of contestants from many other grades such as grade 5 and 6. And second of all, most of my friends did not pass or get a third place, but it was still fun. And luckily one of my friends got third place, so good to him. And just a reminder, never be nervous. Always be calm and happy and don't think about anything worse. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Mustafa Karzan. Today we did a friendly competition called the Spelling Bee. I became third place in the competition and it was a really fun competition. My thoughts about the spelling bee is that it makes your brain bigger and makes your thinking more imaginative and smarter.